Hello lovelies, welcome to this video. My name is Mary. Thank you so much for watching. Today we're going to be talking about how to care for a sensitive skin. If you have a sensitive skin, that means your skin easily gets irritated by products. It's very hard to find a product that works for you, and almost every product causes you breakouts, rashes, or other skin issues that very few people know the names of. Well, here are 5 ways to care for a sensitive skin so that you're not adding to all the issues that a sensitive skin have on its own. So if you're curious enough and you want to know how to care for a sensitive skin type, then stick with me on this video and watch to the end of this video. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is to test patch every new skincare product that you have. Now, I have made a video on how to test patch products. So if you don't know how to test patch products, if you don't know what test patching a product means, well, the link is in my description. You can go and watch that video and get the full knowledge on that. But you have to test patch every new product you buy. Or even if you're repeating the product, you still need to dispatch it, because as someone with a sensitive skin, what worked for you before might not be working for you anymore. So that's why you still need to dispatch your already used products, and then especially your new products. Then secondly, you have to get products. Secondly, you should buy skincare products that say calming, soothing, gentle, or plain out for sensitive skin. This means that the makers of these products have put in consideration your skin type, and so they have no ingredients in the product that can irritate your skin. Also, avoid using harsh chemicals like perfumes, harsh chemicals or harsh irritants like perfumes and alcohol in any of your skincare products. Just avoid that totally. Don't cleanse more than twice a day, because you have a sensitive skin. You might also have acne or other skin issues, and that might tempt you to want to over cleanse in the bid to remove dirt and oil which you might think are the cause of those things on your skin. Well, the maximum amount of times you have to cleanse your face is twice a day. If you have a dry sensitive skin, then you should even cleanse your face use a cleanser just once a day. You should actually use a cleanser once a day, and then maybe in the morning you can just use lukewarm water to clean your face, and then move into moisturizing your face. Which brings me to the 4th tip, which is to keep your face well moisturized and hydrated. Make use of facial mists and hydrating moisturizers. Then the final tip I have for you is to keep your hands and your phone clean always. Use hand sanitizers to clean your phone screens, because you have no idea how many times your phone and your hand come in contact with your face. And avoid as much as possible touching your face with your hands. If you want to receive a call, you can use a hands-free or any other device that will prevent your phone from having a direct contact with your skin. If you can't, then just keep them both clean and save yourself the trouble. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, and also click on the like button. Like this video, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. If you have a comment, you leave a comment letting me know your thoughts or videos that you'd like me to make, and I'll definitely respond to them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay you, and stay true. Bye. Bye.